Have you ever wondered who manages the forests, who heals the oceans after oil spills, or who balances life in the wild without a single human hand? The answer is stunning. Nature does it all, by itself. From rainforests to coral reefs, deserts to wetlands. Earth's ecosystems are intelligent, self-regulating systems that function with a level of balance and complexity we are only beginning to understand. They don't need factories, control centers, or governments. They thrive using ancient rules of feedback, cooperation, and adaptation. This is not magic. It's the brilliant intelligence of nature. 1. Ecosystems are living systems. An ecosystem is more than just a group of animals and plants. It's a dynamic, living system made of interconnected parts, organisms, water, air, and minerals, all influencing each other. What makes an ecosystem intelligent is its ability to maintain balance, despite internal or external disturbances, recover after disasters, like wildfires or floods, adapt to change, from climate shifts to new species entering the system. Nature doesn't wait for instructions. It responds instantly, correcting itself in real time, like a living, breathing organism. 2. Feedback loops. Nature's internal GPS. One of the most fascinating parts of natural intelligence is the feedback loop. How nature monitors itself and reacts accordingly. Negative feedback, restoring balance when something shifts too far in one direction. Nature pushes it back. Example, if predator numbers rise, prey declines. With less prey, predators start to starve, and their population drops too. Then prey populations rise again. This balancing act keeps the entire system from collapsing. Positive feedback, escalating change. Sometimes, change accelerates itself. For example, melting Arctic ice reduces the Earth's reflectivity, making it absorb more heat, which melts even more ice. Both types of feedback help nature make calculated adjustments, just like a thermostat in your home. 3. Forests, Earth's green engineers. Forests are masters of they create their own microclimate by releasing moisture into the air, use canopy layers to balance light for all species, spread seeds through animals, wind, and even fire, clean their own soil and manage water through root systems. Even more, incredible underground trees share nutrients and information through fungal networks often called the Wood Wide Web. Older trees nurture younger ones and warn each other of pests. A forest is not chaos. It's calculated cooperation. 4. Coral reefs. Ocean cities with a plan. Coral reefs may be colorful, but don't mistake them for decoration. They are intensely organized systems, hosting millions of species and functioning with delicate precision. Corals form partnerships with algae that feed them. Cleaner fish remove parasites from others in a mutual relationship. Coral polyps release chemicals to control bacterial growth. When under stress, reefs expel harmful algae to protect their cores. Reefs don't just survive, they strategically maintain themselves in response to light, temperature, and movement in the sea. 5. The savanna. Predator and prey in harmony. Africa's savanna is an example of how violence in nature leads to order, not chaos. Herbivores like zebras and antelopes control plant growth. Predators like lions and cheetahs keep herbivore populations in check. Scavengers such as vultures prevent the spread of disease. Elephants uproot trees, helping open grasslands to flourish. Every species plays a role in maintaining balance. When predators are removed, herbivores multiply uncontrollably and destroy the land. Nature knows balance better than any economy. 6. Wetlands. The unsung heroes of stability, wetlands are among the most underrated and understood ecosystems. They filter water by absorbing toxins and heavy metals, store rain during floods, preventing disaster, downstream, act as nurseries for countless aquatic species, help recharge groundwater supplies. Wetlands clean, regulate, and protect, without machinery or human maintenance. They do their job for free, with elegance and efficiency unmatched by any man-made solution. 7. How nature adapts to climate change. Nature isn't passive in the face of climate change. It's fighting back. Intelligently, trees in warming zones shift their growth ranges. Animals migrate earlier or change feeding habits. Corals release larvae with higher temperature resistance. Soil microbes adjust metabolic rates to maintain balance. But nature can only adjust so far. When stress becomes too great, the system fails to self-regulate, leading to collapse. That's why preserving ecosystems is urgent. We must give nature the space and time to do what it does best: balance life. 8. Nature has no waste, only cycles in nature. Everything has a use. Dead animals become food for fallen leaves become nutrients for new growth. Animal droppings fertilize soil. Broken branches offer shelter to insects and birds. It's a perfect recycling loop. No trash piles, no landfills, no pollution, unless humans intervene. This is not survival. This is systemic brilliance. 9. Natural learning. Evolution, as intelligence, nature's form of learning is called Species adapt across generations to survive environmental changes. Some desert plants evolved water-storing teeth. Birds grow longer wings to adapt to migration routes. Invasive species force native ecosystems to readapt and This slow, persistent improvement is nature's way of saying, I may take time, but I don't forget. 10. What nature can teach us. Nature's intelligence teaches us key lessons. Diversity is strength. Systems with more variety survive longer. Cooperation beats competition. From forests to coral reefs. Simplicity is powerful. Minimal waste, maximum impact. Healing is possible. If we allow time and space, humans have always tried to control nature. Maybe it's time to learn from it instead. Nature has been regulating itself for over 4 billion years. It doesn't use technology. It doesn't use money. It just knows how to live. Better than we ever could. We are part of this system, not separate from it. When we destroy it, we destroy our own foundation. When we protect it, we protect the most intelligent system Earth has ever known. Like this message. Hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-opening videos about the natural world. Share it with someone who still thinks humans are the only smart beings on the planet. Because the truth is simple. Nature is genius. We just need to stop getting in its way.